Hey guys, Brett Mounsell here at the American Adventure Lab at the 2024 Moore Expo. Wanted to show you a couple of new things that just released for us. So our first thing that's kind of hard to miss in the video here is what we're calling our ATK. So this is the Adventure Trailer Kit, and the product itself is actually the chassis. So think of it as like adventure trailer in a box. So the chassis breaks down into UPS size pieces. We ship it to your house, you build it out. We'll have a ton of options from Gladiator beds, Tacoma beds, Ranger beds. We'll have a flatbed kit, we'll have a box kit. We've got slide out kitchens for the front, obviously dirt bike ramps, dirt bike trays. So it runs on Timbrance axle-less suspension. We've done some of these even up to 40-inch size tires. So not really recommending that for a trailer, but it works well in that situation. But anyway, this is going to be what you want it to be. Just like with a lot of our other products, you buy the base platform and build off from that. So this will be able to turn into kayak trailers, tent trailers, all that type of thing. We also get the opportunity to show off some of our Gladiator stuff since we do have the Gladiator bed here. So what you see on top is what we're calling a load-bearing enclosure. So you can think of that as sort of a mix between a truck cap and a tonneau cover. What we found out is that most of the refrigerators you can buy to go in the back of your truck are higher than the bed sides. So that's why we have a little bit of a rise here, which is 12 inches, but not full cab height. So the idea is you'll be able to put your rooftop tent on it, still get into the garage, still keep your good aerodynamics for driving down the road, keep the little bit of gas mileage that we do have, you can keep as much of that as you can. So fully sealed, you'll notice there's foam padding all around the edges, keep all the water and dust out. And this also ships in a box. So it weighs about 150 pounds, depending on how you get it configured and which options you choose. But you can assemble it in your house, which means you can also take it off when you don't need it pretty easily. We have options for this as well. So we have MOLLE panels here. We've got our sleeper keeper here. We've got our external bed rack that's an option, is not required for the load-bearing enclosure. We have roof baskets for the top and all sorts of other accessories planned for that. In the front here, you can see the other side of our dirt bike trays for the ATK trailer. We've got our spare tire platform that's been a big hit here at the show on the spare tire here. And this is a pretty cool concept too. We actually pulled the spare off of the Jeep and put it on the trailer. So the idea is you would put all of your sort of heavy overlanding stuff on the trailer. And when you got to camp, you could drop the trailer and then you could take your Jeep out that's not loaded down with all the heavier overlanding stuff. And that still gives you a really nice performing Jeep for the trails. And we pack enough of the stuff in the back so that you can cook lunch out on the trail, keep your tools, your recovery gear, keep all of that secure. Stepping around to the side, a new product for us that just came out a couple weeks ago is our rear seat delete. So we've been working on this for probably over a year with various versions, but this is the actual production version here. You'll notice the access panels in the top, mostly aluminum construction. The supports underneath are steel just for support reasons, but this guy is live on the website now and we're shipping them out pretty much daily at this point. So that's a pretty good rundown of what we have new here at the Moore Show. Check us out on Instagram at American Adventure Lab, Facebook, American Adventure Lab, and YouTube at American Adventure Lab. Appreciate it.